Hey everyone, want to extract zip files using WinRAR? Zip files are commonly used to package multiple files into a single compressed archive, and WinRAR makes it easy to open and extract them. In this full guide, I'll show you how to extract zip files with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and find the zip file you want to extract. Yeah, it could be in your Downloads folder, on your desktop, or somewhere else on your computer. Now right-click the zip file. You'll see several WinRAR options, including Extract Here * and Extract to *. Choose Extract Here if you want the files to appear in the current folder. If you want to keep the extracted files organized, choose Extract to followed by the archive's name. Yeah, WinRAR will automatically create a folder and place the extracted files inside it. You can also open the zip file directly in WinRAR. Double-click the archive or open WinRAR and browse to the zip file. You'll see all the files stored inside the archive. You don't always have to extract everything. Yeah, select only the files you need, then click Extract to in the WinRAR toolbar. Choose your destination folder and start the extraction. If the zip file is password protected, WinRAR will ask you to enter the password before extracting the files. Enter the correct password and click *** OK ***. If you don't know the password, you'll need to get it from the person or service that provided the archive. After extraction finishes, open the destination folder and verify the files. I mean, make sure the expected folders and files are present and that they open correctly. For the best experience, extract archives to a dedicated folder. Make sure you have enough free storage space and avoid opening zip files from unknown or suspicious sources. Yeah, compressed archives can contain malicious files, so scan downloaded files with your security software when appropriate. And that's how to extract zip files with WinRAR in 2026. Whether you need to unpack downloaded files, extract specific files, or organize large archives, WinRAR makes zip extraction quick and simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.